The Pegasus-White MATX PC case features a striking 180-degree panoramic design with tempered glass, allowing for an impressive showcase of your build's components. Engineered for optimal airflow, this case supports up to 9 fans, ensuring efficient cooling for high-performance gaming and DIY projects. With its spacious interior, the Pegasus-White provides ample room for customization, accommodating various cooling systems and multiple collectibles. Constructed from durable SPCC metal and reinforced tempered glass, this case offers robust protection for your valuable components. The case's thoughtful design includes support for large radiators and a variety of motherboard sizes, making it versatile for different build requirements. Asia Horse's commitment to quality and innovation is evident in the Pegasus-White, catering to enthusiasts who demand both style and performance.